What if one of the most forgotten places in Bratislava could become one of the most important community spaces in the city? Right behind Trnavské mýto, about Česká Street, there is an abandoned railway area that hundreds of people pass every single day, yet most barely notice it. For years, this place has been left unused. The old railway connected to the Bratislava Filialka station has been abandoned for more than 20 years. Today, instead of serving people, it stands empty, neglected, and slowly falling apart. But what if this place could become something completely different? This area is located near one of Bratislava's busiest transport hubs, Trnavské mýto, in the Nové Mesto district. Many students from our school walk through or around this place every day on their way to school, public transport, or home. At the same time, local residents already use the area informally for walking their dogs or taking shortcuts through the neighborhood. Even though the railway is no longer active, the space still has huge potential. Today the area feels unsafe and forgotten. There is broken glass on the ground, garbage scattered everywhere, damaged infrastructure, and almost no maintenance. Instead of being a useful public space, it has become an unused barrier dividing the neighborhood. And people notice it. To better understand how the community feels about this place, we created a questionnaire and asked local residents and students for their opinions. The responses were surprisingly similar. Most people said they pass through the area every day or several times a week. Many described the space as neglected, dirty, or simply completely bad. When we asked what should change, the most common answers were cleaning the area, more greenery, better accessibility, places to relax, and spaces for dogs and community activities. Almost everyone agreed that transforming the railway into a public park would improve the neighborhood. So we started thinking, how could this place actually look if it was redesigned for people instead of being left abandoned? To visualize our idea, we created a 3D model in The Sims 4 showing what this space could become. Our project focuses on sustainability, accessibility, and community. What the park would include. The redesigned park would include walking paths surrounded by greenery and flowers, creating a calm and safe environment for everyday use. There would also be a dedicated dog park, because many people already walk their pets there. Another important part of the project is the community garden. Residents could grow plants, herbs, or vegetables together, creating not only a greener environment but also stronger community relationships. For families and students, the area would also include playgrounds for children, spaces to sit and relax, outdoor areas for studying or meeting friends, and a small coffee shop. Accessibility is a very important part of our project. The park would be designed so that everyone could use it comfortably, including children, elderly people, parents with strollers, and people with disabilities. Instead of an abandoned, empty space, the area would finally serve the people living around it. Our project is also connected to the idea of the circular economy. A circular economy means reducing waste and giving spaces and materials a new purpose instead of simply abandoning them. Rather than destroying the area completely, our idea reuses existing urban space and transforms it into something sustainable and useful. The community garden could support local growing and sharing. More greenery would help improve air quality and reduce heat during summer, and creating a shared public space would support local businesses, social interaction, and healthier lifestyles. In this way, the project would help solve environmental, social, and economic problems at the same time. This abandoned railway has the potential to become more than just an empty piece of land. It could become a place where people walk, meet friends, study, relax, exercise, spend time with their dogs, and feel connected to their community. And maybe the most important thing is the people living around this area actually want change. Our questionnaire showed that community sees the potential here. Now the question is, will the place continue to stay abandoned, or could it finally become something better?